Hey friends, so I'm installing the GoSund smart light switch, which is Alexa enabled. I had the video all set up and ready to go, and for some reason my video did not get done correctly, so I have to redo it. Anyways, I had this old light switch in here, and I'm going to show you how the wiring was on that real quick here. Pull it out. If I can pull it out. I had to smash these in there pretty good. And I labeled the wires too, so I'll show you what I did here. Okay, so I had two black ones going in, and I labeled those load and live with the stickers that were provided. And then obviously the green one was the ground, and the white one was a neutral. And then I hooked the red wire from the back of the switch to one of the black ones for the load, and the other black switch to the other one, which is the live. The white to the white, and the green to the copper ones, or the neutral or the ground. Okay, so once that was done, I'm going to shove all these things back in there, because this box is a little bit big, and so you want to make sure you got enough room when you put this in there. Everything's gonna fit. Okay, so that's about right. Ran into a small problem also with, if you look here, it's a little bit lower right here. It doesn't stick out as much. So this bottom part was actually going in a little further, and I wasn't able to put on the cover. So I'm going to remedy that by putting, I just got a little spacer thing out in the garage. I just made, it was actually those spacers you put in for tile, and it's kind of thick like a washer, so I'm going to put that and an actual washer right over that, and that should give me the distance I need to make it flush with the wall when I put it in. So I'm going to go ahead and install that real quick and show you guys how I do it. Now, so we're just going to get a piece of tape. Okay, I'm going to put it over the hole there, just like that. And we'll just kind of just tape that on it so it holds it in place while I'm getting this going. Okay, so it looks something like that. So when I put the screw in, it's going to screw right into that, and that's nice and flush with this now. Okay, so let's poke a little hole in there. If I can find something sharp. It's not really sharp enough. That'll make it flush, and then I can put my top on there. There we go. Okay, my friends, let's continue with the install here. Oh, are you kidding me? My tape just failed me. That was amazing. Alright, let's try to get that on there again. Sorry about this, my friends. Sometimes it doesn't work out the way you're trying to work it out. And that's okay, because this is real. This is what you deal with when you're trying to do stuff. So, alright, there it is again. And I'm going to try to get this one in first, if I can. Oops. If I can get that through there. Come on. Oops, come on. All I need is get in the hole there now. Get in there. There we go. All right. Now I'm just going to tighten this top one a little bit. Okay. So this one should be line up okay. This one rests on the sheetrock here, so we're good there. It's going to be nice and flush. Okay, get this one a little bit more. Alright, now what I want to do before I get that in all the way, I got to mess up a little level here. And we're going to try to level this off so it's perfect. This can go over a little bit. So that's right about there is where we want it. Let's see if I can lock that in now. Move a little bit. Let's move it back. It's perfect right there. Oops, just move just a tad. There we go, right about there. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's see if we can't get our top on here. So this has got little hooks here, right there and right there, and it snaps in over here. So I'll try to get my bottom one in first, maybe. And just like that. That looks pretty slick. Alright, my friends, I'm going to go turn on the breaker and get this fired up here. 1 second. Okay, friends, here we go. Just turn on the light. It comes on just like that. Show you real quick here. So the light comes on, I'll click the switch, light goes off, just like that. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice slick looking light switch, and also we can hook it up to Alexa and get it controlled by that. So I'm going to show you how to do that, but this is the install. So thanks for watching this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can grab this smart switch off of Amazon. And thanks for watching this install video. I'll be doing another video on how to set it up with Alexa and checking it out on your smartphone. Okay, thanks for watching.